Hey guys! Welcome to Cadmatix. In today's video we are going to make the 3D model of Tollinton Market in Shadman, Lahore. First let's do an initial examination of the area with Google Earth. This is a map taken by Google Earth, and if we analyze we can see that there is a lack of pedestrian and green infrastructure, as well as parking deficiency. We can improve this area by improving pedestrian accessibility such as sidewalks and taking traffic calming measures. Incorporating green infrastructure is a must because of harsh climatic conditions in summers. Here is a map of Tollinton Market created by using the GIS application. This is the 2D layout of the Tollinton Market. Parking lots can be provided beside the market in the empty lot. On the extreme right side there was an existing park known as Muhammad Ali Jinnah Park. I have incorporated pathways, green infrastructure and other urban street furniture. In the design, physically challenged people are emphasized as well. So, after importing the 2D layout in SketchUp and drawing faces, I have extruded the basic structures. The car and bench was imported from the already available components in SketchUp. The disabled parking lot was imported from the 3D warehouse. Illumination is important as it makes the design more pedestrian friendly and adds a sense of security. Remember to choose a low polygon block from 3D warehouse so that you do not overload your file. Because I have older version, I have to download the color file in order to import it in my file. You can scale the objects if you do not like the size. Just go to Tools and click on Scale. Follow the same procedure to download trees. Make sure that the block has low polygons so that the file is not overloaded. This integration of greenery not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also contributes to environmental sustainability by providing shade, reducing heat island effect, and improving air quality. The parking facility in this project accommodates a total of 53 cars, adhering to the standard of providing one tree for every 4 parking bays. In addition to car parking, the facility includes designated parking spaces for motorcycles, with a capacity for 42 bikes. These spaces are strategically placed under the shade of trees, providing protection from the sun and creating a pleasant environment for motorcycle owners. follow for more. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.